Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to start this vlog. Okay, we're going to address the obvious. I have a serious lisp right now because I have started my Invisalign treatment, which I'm actually so excited about. It does mean that saying the letter S is really hard, but generally, yeah, I'll have them in and out on vlogs. Like, I'm wearing them for like 20 hours of the day. I think it's maybe meant to be 22, but that is really difficult to do when I'm like filming and stuff. I do have them in and out, so sometimes I'll sound lispy, sometimes I won't, but it's not going to be for particularly long because I'm on quite a short treatment plan. However, that is not the point of this vlog. I'm going to talk about that a lot more in the weekly vlog that's coming next week, I think. Possibly next week, possibly tomorrow. I don't actually know when I'm uploading this one. Today I am heading to Ikea with my boyfriend Tom, and we are buying some stuff to deck out my new office. Now you're probably thinking, Molly, where is there room for you to have an office? This has been a long process, and initially we were getting an extension on the house and the whole thing just ended up being so complicated, so faffy, that we're not doing that. We're having a lot of work done to the house in the upcoming weeks, but it's not including an extension. But I am getting an office. Obviously now I'm doing YouTube full time. It's quite a big commitment and I don't have a very big bedroom. Like, it's big but it's not huge, and I have a lot of stuff, especially because last year I was living over 2 bedrooms. I had a bedroom in Leeds and I had a bedroom at home, and that worked because all my stuff fitted in 2 rooms, but obviously now I don't have 2 rooms. So we're heading to Ikea to pick up some stuff for that. Tom's also just redecorated as well, so he's getting some stuff. But I'm going to show you what we're working with. So as you come out of my bedroom and turn to your right instantly, there's this door. I'm not sure if you'll have seen this in vlogs, maybe you have. And this has always been my dad's office. Now right now it's just a bit of a storage room for absolutely everything, including all my dad's old office stuff. But basically this is what we're working with. It's very dark in here. I'm going to be painting it. I'm going to be getting a new carpet. Actually no, I'm not. The carpet is new. I'm going to be getting a new blind. It's going to look so different. It's not going to be grey either because I think this is just a bit too dark, especially for filming. However, you're probably thinking, where's your dad going then? Like, what's happening there? We're having a whole rejiggle of the downstairs of our house. Like, the floor plan of that is kind of changing in terms of what we're using each room for. So he is having an office downstairs in what was our dining room, so it is all being shuffled around kind of over the next 2 or 3 weeks, and I'm really excited to like do this because I feel like it's a little project. I really like this room. I think it's a decent size. It's meant to be a bedroom, but obviously like we don't need it as a bedroom, but yeah, it's kind of always been the office, but now it's going to be my office, which I'm really excited about. So I'm going to get bookshelves because I just love bookshelves. I think that it just makes a room a fly in here. But basically I thought I'd bring you shopping with me. I've waffled on a lot. We're gonna head to Ikea now. Don't know how long this vlog's gonna be. We're going to the Ikea in Sheffield, so we're also going across to Meadowhall as well, which is like a big shopping centre. If you're from the area, you'll probably know it. And we're gonna get some food in there later, but we're heading to Ikea. It's like mid-afternoon now. Tom's been at work this morning. I'm excited, I can't wait. How's shopping going? Going good.
16 coat hangers.
So far we've just got the coat hangers, but we have got several things written down on our little Ikea list. We haven't picked anything up yet. Currently in mirrors, but I've actually already ordered a mirror.
I'm gonna have a mirror in mine.
No, you're not gonna put a mirror. You've got a mirror?
No, well, I do, but I don't know where to put it.
Yeah, I did wonder why it was on the floor.
But I think my old room is gonna be like a general room. This is gonna have like a mirror in there.
Right,
like
okay.
That, so I can use that.
This is the bit where you pick up all the stuff. You don't actually need like plants and bottles. At least we've got somewhere to put the coat hangers now, Tom. This has come to more than we thought it was going to because we have got so much flat pack furniture. You best believe I'm going to become the best at DIY over the next few days and weeks. We also have an entire trolley full of stuff, which is predominantly all white and grey. Can you see the colour theme? It's weird because this is actually both of our stuff as well.
If you can lift it up, just lift. Actually, no, one sec. You push this. No, trust me.
I what?
You come round here.
Oh.
Just, well, one sec, just push it back a sec. Now push.
Okay, so I didn't film RT because I left my camera in the car. Absolute idiot. I was filming that time lapse and then I left it there, got out the car, and then I was like, where's my camera?
That one you water.
Oh yeah. However, we just went for a quick cheeky Wagamama's, which was very, very nice. Tom hasn't ever had a Wagga's before.
I have. We had one in London that time.
Yeah, but not one that you wanted.
I didn't like it.
No, so I
didn't really want this one.
No, this was my recommendation. Tom is quite a picky eater. We never go anywhere else other than...
I'm not picky.
Yes, you are.
I'm gonna have a cookie. You having a cookie?
Yeah, I'm having a cookie. So we went to Wagamama's. Here is a picture of our food. It was really nice. We had katsu curry, very basic.
I'll actually a picture.
And then, as a Meadowhall tradition, we got Millie's cookies because we just came out. We've got an hour and like 10-minute drive home. So we bought some cookies and I'm gonna take some home for my family as well. So we have the drive to do with all of the Ikea stuff in the back, although I'm happy now because I'm full of food. On the way here, I was so hungry, and then we had the whole walk around Ikea and we were both just starving, weren't we? But yeah, I'm really warm. So I was gonna say I'll turn this off and we can turn the aircon on, but we don't have any aircon, so...
Do it on my new car.
Yeah, Tom's just bought a new car, but he can't pick it up for like another week.
You're gonna vlog it?
Do you want me to vlog it?
I want you to vlog it.
Alright, yeah.
I want you to show it off, please.
Okay, he's so excited about it. Also, my eyeshadow is really smudged. Green wasn't a good look, but I tried to match it to my top. Felt cute. Might delete later. I am home and my dad and my brother are helping me, and by helping me I mean doing it, carry all of the stuff up the stairs because it's really quite heavy. In fact, it's not that it's heavy, it's just that it's really long. So this is the desk going upstairs now. Go on, Harry. You look like the Chuckle Brothers. So this room is now completely empty and it is a different day. It's actually Monday. No, it's not. It's Tuesday. So it's been like 5 days. Didn't vlog anything because I was at Leeds Fest instead. So I haven't really done anything to the room yet. This is so weird. It's so empty right now, hence the echo. But I thought I would do a really quick little haul of the things that I bought in Ikea because although I did film it, I didn't actually really show you, and I want the decorating vlog to be separate. So I thought I would show you the stuff in this, and then next week there'll be a video of me decorating this whole thing, which I'm doing totally on my own. I've done no DIY. I have no history with putting desks together. Just look at all those boxes. So I'm a little bit apprehensive about that, but I thought I would show you what I have bought. So I'm gonna move you down onto the floor so that we can sit together. Okay, you're a little bit wonky, but I think that's gonna have to do. That's better. That's a lot straighter. Right, okay. So the first thing I bought was obviously the desk, which is what's in this massive box here. I can't unbox that because it's a desk, so I'm gonna do the other things instead. So the first thing I bought was this LED strip lighting, which I think is gonna go either under the desk or on top of the desk. And I think this will look really, really cool actually, because I love how LEDs look. My brother has them on his desk. My boyfriend Tom has them in his room, like behind the wardrobes, and they look really, really cool. So these were £19, and I think it's just about a metre in like this strip, but you have to like join it together. So that was my first thing. I then bought 2 shelves, which are tiny, but they're to stand on the wall like that, so that I can just like put stuff on them that's not like super heavy, because they're a really weird fixture. Like they're fixed to the wall, really odd. Like you have to drill them into the wall, but then obviously you can't really stand anything too heavy on them, but that's fine. Like I think I'm probably gonna put my 100k plaque from YouTube on one of them, like on the wall, and then like some books or something else, I don't know, just like things, you know, because I feel like I kind of want some shelves up near the window, but I don't want massive shelves because I'm gonna have a bookshelf on this wall, which I haven't actually bought yet because I'm waiting to order that from Wafer, which is also like another home decor site, which I love. And then the last thing I can really show you is this, which to be honest, right, I don't really know what this is. I'm one of those people in Ikea where I'm walking around and I'm like, oh my god, that's so nice, that's so nice, I need that, when I'm actually not sure if I do need it, but I think I will get use out of this. So it was £19 again, a lot of £19, and it is a design, basically a letter holder. So it looks like this. This is the photo. It's just a box, but basically, is it focused? Can you see that? Surprisingly, it's really heavy, and I was thinking that this could go on top of the desk, because I'll insert a picture of the desk that I've bought here off the website. Obviously, it's really long, which is great because this wall is quite long. It fits perfectly on this wall, and that's where I'm going to have it. Initially, I was going to stand it by the window, but I'm just thinking now it's not really practical because of the radiator there, so it's going to go on this wall, but because it's really long I wanted stuff to stand on top of it. So I also bought like a little drawer unit that is meant for desktops, so it's got like a shelf and then 2 drawers. I'll insert a picture here. It's in that box, so I can't really show you it. And then I thought that this letter holder would look good on one side, and I could put all of my like paperwork in there, because it's actually surprising how much paperwork I like have and have to keep and stuff. Obviously technically this is my job and I'm self-employed, so like bank statements, receipt, like tax things that I don't really understand have to be kept. And at the moment my mum keeps them in like an envelope thing, but I was thinking if I had something to organise them so that I knew myself where everything was, where all my records were of everything, that it would be straightforward and it would be easier, and it just makes me feel a bit more like, oh, professional. So yeah, I bought that to go on top of my desk, and I'm pretty sure that is everything I've bought. I am going to be reusing a lot of the things that I already own from either my flat in Leeds, which I had last year, and then my bedroom that I have this year. Obviously the like room, that wall is my bedroom on the other side, but I have a lot of stuff in there that I don't really want in there, so I'm gonna bring that in here too. So my fairy lights from my flat in Leeds, which I'm sure you've all seen, are gonna go on that back wall. My bookshelves that are currently in my bedroom are gonna come down, and I'm gonna put all of those books on a bookshelf in here because it just makes my room look a bit untidy, but I'm just such a big book lover that I don't want to get rid of the books, so I'm gonna bring them into this room because I feel like it's a bit more officey than it is bedroomy. I just want to move it on to here because I think that then my room will be a bit more spacious, and I think it's going to be good to be able to separate like work and bedroom, because currently everything is in one room and it really just stressed me out. So yeah, that is my plan. Depending on space, after everything's done, I might look at buying a clothing rail, but I just think this room isn't that big and I don't want to over clutter it. That is my plan for now. I'm going to end this vlog. I'm sorry it was like half chatty, half Ikea. It's a bit of a mess, but that's just my life. Hope you've enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up if you have. I should be back on tomorrow with just like a regular kind of weekly vlog, and then back next weekend with another office decorating vlog if you're excited for that. Let me know down in the comments, give this video a thumbs up, and if you have any suggestions of things I should put on the walls or websites I should check out and stuff like that, let me know down in the comments below. And my job for today is to start painting the walls because it's not going to be grey. Yeah, I should be back very soon with another video. Bye guys.